I don't go to the dentist quite as often as EB. I'm a twice-a-year guy every 6 months, which is what's recommended. And I told the dental hygienist afterwards that she said possibly the worst thing that she could possibly say to me. She enabled me. She said, now I went at 11. She said
the worst thing she could say to you is that you got me pregnant.
Well, okay.
The worst thing that she could
But
say.
I'm talking about as a dental patient.
Right.
She said that I had the best gums she had seen all day. I said, really? Because I haven't flossed once since the last time I saw you.
Well, that has to be a qualifier. That just means
I asked her, I said, have you seen a bunch of 80-year-olds? And she said, no.
Really?
And she'd seen all types that
Your
day.
gums are silly?
Yeah, so
really?
I was like, why would I ever floss? If I've gone 6 months without flossing and my gums are golden.
Well, just because over time, I mean, they're not always going to stay like that.
Haven't there been studies?
I found the right combo of mouthwash and toothpaste.
Well, mouthwash definitely helps.
I'm clearly not a dental expert, but haven't they linked like lack of flossing to heart disease?
Is that true?
All sorts of
brain disease.
Terrible health.
There are a lot of things that have to do with your heart. I'm not going to link flossing to my heart.
I didn't just make it up.
Like
it's
eating, I can see it. Running and activity, I can see it. Flossing.
Again, I'm not a dentist.
Well, here's what it might say. It might say if you don't care about how clean your teeth are, you might not care about what you're putting in your temple.
Well, my
so
teeth
there could be
are
a
clean
link there. Okay, well, I'm just saying, if you're not a flosser, you probably don't have great grooming habits.
Is what you're saying.
If you're an adult with children and a productive citizen, you probably are a flosser.
Yeah, I think and I'm not sure if there's a link. If Cake says there is, but I think it's because if you don't floss, then germs gets into your body, blood, and it hurts you. I mean, it hurts the arteries.
You think I just made it up?
It hurts the arteries.
I just don't completely buy it.
I think you're wrong.
I buy more of EB's theory that the non-flossers tend to be hurting.
Yes, if you don't care about how clean your teeth are, you probably don't care about what you're eating.
The germs get into your system and it hurts your arteries. That's why they say that.
I have to floss.
This is my terrible theory. There was a period of time where I used to go to the dentist and I would get that lecture that you should floss, and I would try and pull the okey doke and floss for like 3 or 4 days before the dentist appointment.
That can help.
Right. So I would try that.
Your gums can heal remarkably quickly.
Sure. Right, because I just didn't want to deal with that lecture. But I just believe that the toothpaste technology has advanced. All right. Now I don't really buy into the whitening toothpaste.
Oh, I don't either.
Every toothpaste says they whiten, and my teeth look as yellow as ever.
Sure.
All right. They don't just turn white. But I do believe that they've figured out something with the fluoride or whatever they've done, that toothpaste has gotten better, mouthwash has gotten better, everything's killing plaque, everything's killing all those things, so floss less important.
I mean, I just Googled it, and this is from 2016, a study out of Helsinki found that there's a, quote, very strong link between the bacteria involved in gum disease and the increased risk of heart disease.
Okay, gum disease. But I'm telling you that she said I had the best gum she had seen all day. Now, she'd only seen 4 patients beforehand, so that I was number 5. But I'll take that. And I asked her afterwards, I was like, well, were they a bunch of 80-year-olds?
Right.
And she said no.
It's a lock that if I floss right now and floss, because I tend to floss kind of aggressively when I do it, bleeding gums.
All right, well, Cakes is right there.
Your gums are terrible.
Well, Cakes is right, though.
Of course I'm right.
There's a link.
I'm an armchair doctor.
A link to gum disease.
Yeah.
And flossing can prevent gum disease, but my point is maybe mouthwash and toothpaste are doing a good enough job
think it
nowadays.
It certainly helps. It absolutely helps.
I stick to Listerine.
But not everyone uses mouthwash.
I'm a huge mouthwash guy.
I don't use it all the time. I was burned the last time I used Listerine. I put too much in. I didn't realize. Like the
last time, that sounds like it was a year ago.
I don't use it a lot.
What do you mean? How can you put too much in?
I took basically a whole cap full. Threw it in there, gargled with it, and my mouth was on fire.
Well, because you're getting it too
working.
strong. You should. Why don't you just get the silly Crest teeth whitener? It's got all the anti-plaque stuff.
You want the strong stuff.
I went with the strong stuff.
You need to get the strong stuff that's got a little flavor to it,
You
though.
didn't go with the brown Listerine.
Oh, it was brown.
That's the
couldn't have been more brown.
You got to go with the great.
I didn't go with the
You got to get the great
I didn't go
one.
with the foofy Listerine Zero that's blue or
you got to get the
grape
Crest,
flavored.
the Crest purple one.
I stick to
Well,
Listerine.
old school.
Truthfully, I have Kirkland.
That's fine. It's the same thing.
It's all the same stuff.
Costco, yeah.
No, but
It's blue.
I've gone to Listerine where it burns your throat,
Yeah,
burns your
yeah.
mouth.
How big is that Kirkland? It's like 8 gallons.
It's a 55-gallon drum.
I think I've had
Up
it for
to your
6
mouth.
months.
It's like a 5-gallon drum.
Right.
I've had it
Do
for
you
a long
need your own
time.
cart just for the mouthwash?
Yeah.
I just use it in the morning.
I use it in the morning and I use it anytime I'm near the sink. Because
I stick to
it's just
Listerine.
hurting to have bad breath. It hooks.
It is.
It hooks the breath.
Bad thing.
It hooks with the anti-plaque stuff. And like I say, I have to floss more now than ever. My teeth are just disintegrating right before my eyes. They're just
They're
huge.
breaking apart.
They're just huge.
It's like the space shuttle.
It's just, as I get older, there are just more pockets where food. And when I floss, man, I mean just chunks of food just come flying out.
Yeah. Well, you're hurting.
Chunks. That never used to happen.
You
It's
don't
like
use those
you
little
don't eat it, do you?
individual floss
I've
things.
used those before in a car. I'd have a pack of them in the car,
Oh,
and I would just floss,
just food particles all over your car.
and then I would throw them out the window. That's literally littering.
That is littering.
That's technically littering.